Da-da-da-da. All right, what's going on, everybody? This is Conrad from MojoBreak.com. We're here on Thursday, March 21st, 2019, to do another briefcase of 2018 Panini Flawless Baseball. This is a random left side serial number style break, number 33. Let's go random over to determine your left side serial numbers. Good luck to everybody in the break. First, we're going to roll the virtual dice to see how many times we randomize. If we roll a snake eyes, it would have fought 3 randoms. And we're going to go 3 times on the random. We got a snake eyes. All right. All cards in Flawless numbered to 25 or less, so we're going to go 3 times in the round for your left side serial numbers, 1 through 25. 1, 2, and 3. We got the numbers 2 down to 1. 2 to 1. That's a 1-2 sandwich 3 times. All right, now let's go ahead and randomize your names 3 times and match it up. 1, 2, and 3. Ed Race down to James Anthony on the bottom. That's 3 times on the random. All right, let's go ahead and check out your numbers real quick, and then we'll get right into the break. So Ed got the 2 spot, Laurie 17, D Sal 11, S Perry 14, Ed Race 9, Little Jack 23, Jordy 18, Dan 25, AY is 10, James Anthony 13, AY is 20, JLM 21, D Sal 4, Grimes 24, S Perry 6, James Anthony 3, Ivy 7, Dan 16, Jay Seti 15, S Perry 8, Tom J 12, Travis 22, Rich T 19, Ed Race 5, and James Anthony with the 1 spot. So any 1-on-1 will go to James. All right, let's go ahead and open up a brand new case of Flawless. This is a briefcase going to be coming from a brand new case. Let's go ahead and open this up and figure out which half we're going to use by going back to random.org. Coming up next after this will be the Shiny Prism Mixer. 12-box Shiny Prism. Alright, top briefcase is going to be 1 in the random. Bottom briefcase will be 2. We're going to randomize just 3 times like we did for your spots. Top briefcase 1, bottom briefcase 2. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to go with the bottom briefcase for this one. Alright, so I do plan to do another random number Flawless break this weekend, so the other half will be, this top briefcase will be used for that one on Saturday. I think most likely I'm going to do that. Alright, good luck everybody in Flawless 33. Shiny Prism 12-box mixer is coming up next. Good luck, everybody. First up, oh, let me get the numbers on the screen. Forgot. I always got to get the numbers on the screen. First hit is a Jackie Robinson going out to the 20 spot. Very nice. 42 relic Jackie Robinson. 20 out of 20. Very, very nice. Brooklyn Dodgers Jackie Robinson. Game use. Sick. 20 AYs. Nice. After the AYs. Second hit, Vet Auto, Gaylord Perry won the Ruby Red Parallel for the 19 spot, 1 spot down. So hitting some high numbers early. 19 out of 20. Gaylord Perry. Rich T with the Gaylord. Double window, patch auto. This one is of J.P. Crawford for the 14 spot. Double window, patch auto, J.P. Crawford. 14 out of 25. S. Perry with the 14 spot. Alright, and then an auto of Edwin Encarnacion for the 7 spot, 7 of 25. Encarnacion auto. 7 Ivy. Crazy patch on this next one. Emerald patch auto, 1 out of 2 going out to that coveted 1 spot, Yoenis Cespedes. Crazy patch action for the 1 spot. James Anthony, congrats, James. That is I'll say a boom. 1 of 2. Super sick patch. Clippers gone from Cornerstone. 7 teams left. All right, and a very nice vet auto here for the 13 spot. 13 out of 15. Oh, man, this has got to be one of the craziest hits I've gotten in a while out of Flawless. There's been some crazy stuff out of Flawless lately, though. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. James Anthony, congrats. Nice hit on the big hurt. Frank Thomas, USA auto. Where you at tonight, James? Not in the room tonight? James, you're not in the room yet? Well, if you watch this video later, congratulations. One of one. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Jumbo Patch Black Parallel. Boom! What's up, X? Let me get that in there. One touch. One time! Yeah, had to put that in a 180 mag right there. Hold on, gotta send a picture of that to Doug. It's crazy, insane, crazy. Alright, I think the status special price got maybe 1 spot left on that one. Alright, what else could be freaking inside though? Nice diamond for the 14 spot. KB Chris Bryant. That's Perry. The Mavs sold 3 minutes after Doug put them up. The Hawks just sold not too long ago. It wasn't Jameson though. They grabbed the Mavs. Actually, I don't know where Jameson is. Hasn't been around long. All right, congrats on the 2 spot double patch. Great auto Mike Piazza for the 2 spot. 2 out of 5. Ed Race. Congrats, Ed. 2 out of 5. I think Doug was just testing it out to see what how fast those top teams would go for posting up a PYT. And last hit, 4 out of 10. Congrats. Get a gold parallel debut rookie auto encased auto. 4 out of 10. Reese Hoskins. That's D-Sal with the 4 spot. D-Sal. 4 out of 10. All right, and that was the break. Crazy Vlad Jr. patch. All right, random 33, random numbers 33, flawless. We'll have the other half of that briefcase on Saturday. Appreciate you guys. Congrats to the hitters. We got Shiny Basketball Prism Mixer coming up next. I think Jameson's on a sabbatical until NT officially releases. All right, 7 teams left in Cornerstones and 1 left in that status. 6 teams left in Cornerstones. Still 1 left in the status. And then the 2 NT breaks for the end of the night are sold out. The status special blowout price 20 box case has actually 2 left. My fault. 2 left in status. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 teams left in Cornerstones. Hey. Oops. What did I do? Alright guys, let's get a Nebula Prism tonight.